Intelli AI Kit. Hey guys, welcome to Intelli AI Kit, and in this video I will be giving you a detailed demo on how to get started with this absolutely stunning app, which is ChatGPT 4 powered and has got over 200 plus tools for boosting your business to the very next level, works in absolutely any niche, any office, and has got so many languages to select from. So I'm inside the members area, and as you can see over here inside the dashboard, we have got the language selection, which gives you a wide range of languages, and I will be covering all these tabs, explaining them to you in great detail. So let's get started by creating a project. As you can see over here, you've got to create a project section and the list of projects that you've created, checking the training section, and the full detailed demo will be listed right over here. So let's get started and create a project. So I'm going to click on create a project, and this will take you to this particular section where you need to follow 3 quick steps. So firstly, just name the project. I'm just going to name this project as project 1, 2, 3, 4 and test project 1, 2, 3, 4 rather, and hit continue. And this particular section, it gives you a massive variety of basically, anything that you want to get started with. So it could be, meta tags, it could be image generator, it could be general video script writing, sales copies, if you want to generate Fiverr gigs, if you want to answer Quora questions, if you want to write any articles, rewrite articles, and generate any kind of content is going to be listed right over here. Basically, this has got over 200 plus sections that you can get started with, and the beauty of this is it is not limited. So it can, depending on your prompt that you want to generate, you can actually expand that to over 1,000 by using this particular list and by using your prompts. So let me just get started with giving some examples on how to get started and generate some absolutely amazing content. So let's just first create a sales copy. So right over here, I'm just gonna put in sales and then check the list over here. It gives you an option to select what kind of sales page or copy that you want to generate. So if I need to be more specific, because this has got so many options in the list, so I'm just going to be very, very specific for this. So that is going to be for Monster Sales Copywriter tool. So I've listed some examples. I'm just going to get started with the first one. So Monster Sales Copywriter tool. So right over here I've selected that, and let me just hit continue, and over here it's asking me for product description. So I'm just going to put a product description right over here and then get started with it. So let me just copy that correctly so that I do not miss out on anything. So I've basically pre-populated a prompt. So over here I'm mentioning this is the world's first ChatGPT 4 powered cloud-based platform that generates unique high quality content and converts it in real talking human 3D avatars and even audios with a few clicks. So before I hit do the magic, you have got advanced settings. So with advanced settings, you've got a language preference right over here. You've got tone of voice, which gives you a ton of options right over here: formal, informal, witty, uplifting, bold, candid, caring. So I'm just gonna keep that as professional. And again, you've got quality type. If you want that to be low, medium, good, excellent, just gonna put that as excellent. Number of results that you can get started with, and number of words that you can expand to over 1,000. So let's get started by generating the magic, or do the magic. All you have to do is just click on this and wait a couple of seconds, and this actually is going to generate some absolutely phenomenal content with the help of ChatGPT 4, and you have got your brilliant monster sales copywriter tool to write you some absolutely amazing content. So are you tired of spending hours crafting content that doesn't quite hit the mark? Introducing the world's first ChatGPT 4 powered cloud-based app or cloud-based platform. Imagine having the power to generate unique high quality content and bring it to life through real talking human 3D avatars and audios with just a few clicks. Revolutionize your content creation process today with our platform. Say goodbye to writer's blog and hello to captivating content that engages your audience like never before. Get ready to take your content to the next level, and has got some absolutely amazing trending hashtags over here: content creation innovation and hashtag ChatGPT4. All you have to do is, if you like this content, just save this content. It will be saved for you in the list. And if you're not happy with this content, then generate the content again. So all you have to do is just click, do the magic, and just wait a couple of more seconds, and another list of content is generated for you right over here. Attention all content creators and marketers. And if you do not like the tone of it, again, just hit generate for another content. That'll be generated right over here. I think this is nice, short, clear, and concise. So it says, experience the future of content creation with our groundbreaking ChatGPT 4 powered cloud-based platform. Say goodbye to mundane text, and hello to captivating 3D avatars and lifelike audios in just a few clicks. Are you ready to revolutionize your content creation game? And then we have got hashtags over here. You can save this content, or want to generate more, you just generate more that you can resonate with. Introducing a revolutionary ChatGPT 4 powered cloud-based platform, and then you can just purchase now. So these are some absolutely phenomenal content that are generated in absolutely any niche, and there is so much to explore in this brilliant app that you can just spend hours just generating content, because it's so captivating, it's so intriguing, interesting, that the app is just doing everything for you. Just all you are doing is just typing a few words, and you can just have a wide range of options that you can select from, and then provide some absolutely amazing services to your customers, to your clientele. If you want to use that for your own use, you can do that. And if you want to render services on various different platforms, you can get started with that by leveraging your business, scaling your business to the very next level. So it's just a matter of you getting onto Intelli AI Kit and generating some absolutely brilliant content. So let me just move to the next section. I'm just going to give you a couple of more examples. So on how to get started by creating a witty post on your topic. So I like witty posts, and because I find them very interesting, and they are actually captivating. You can have some absolutely amazing audience retention on it. So I'm just going to put in witty. Yeah, so we've got tweets as well that you can generate, and with trending hashtags. And yep, so I'm just going to click on create a witty post about your topic. Now you can actually get started with any topic you want to. So I've got a few examples right over here. So I'm just going to give you a few examples. So let's get started with a witty post on home improvements. Home improvement is something that everyone needs. And right over here, we have got some absolutely amazing results and subject lines on home improvements. So the AI has obviously given us 7 options. And improving your home is like adding a touch of constructional sophistication to your life. And has got home improvement projects where creativity meets renovation, and has got some absolutely amazing topics over here, which is home improvement projects are like nuts and bolts of enhancing your living space, and turning a house into a home involves a little sawdust and sweat equity. So these are like really witty posts that you can post. And let me just give you a few other examples over here. Again, if you're not happy with this, you can always regenerate the post, so, or save the post. Gadgets and gizmos, which I'm always interested in, so you can actually get started by creating some absolutely amazing posts on them. So gadgets and gizmos may seem like merry accessories, but they are the tools that keeps us connected in this digital age. And a few other examples again, and you can get started with a few other examples on health and fitness, food, and so food right over here. Let's see what the AI is going to generate on the food part. So yep, I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. So these are like really witty content on food, and I'm always very happy when I get to indulge in some fruity desserts. I don't mean to be cheesy, but I'm a great cook, so it's like funny content, it's really witty, these contents. I do not know. It's very I do not know, but it's like obviously it's I do not know what I do without dessert. So it's really funny content. It's really witty, guys. I mean, you can just keep on generating. If you're not happy with this, again, you can just regenerate content as many times you want to. So let me just give you a few other examples on that. So let's see, health and fitness. So I'm just gonna copy health and fitness right over here. So let me just say health and fitness, do the magic, and again, this is going to generate some absolutely amazing content for me. So exercise is the best medicine, and it doesn't even come with a prescription. So this is so true. So if you are into like health and fitness niche, then this is something that you can generate some absolutely phenomenal content, phenomenal posts. And we've got keto diet, so let me just get started with that. So it's like keto diet and hit generate, and this has actually generated some absolutely amazing content. Again, the keto diet may be a low carb diet, but it's high in success. And over here, see, eating keto diet is like hitting rewind on your waistline, and you'll be shrinking in no time. So this content is, again, people in this particular niche can resonate so much with it. And we have got mental health and therapy, so I'm just going to put in mental health, and it's going to generate some absolutely amazing content for me. So I'm sorry, but making punches about mental health is not appropriate. See, I mean, mental health is a serious issue that affects many individuals, and it is important to approach it with sensitivity and understanding. Let's focus on promoting awareness and support for those struggling with mental health instead. So it gives you some absolutely logical, phenomenal prompts over here. And let's move to the other section, which is therapy. And this is going to generate some absolutely amazing content on therapy. And so right over here it says therapy, where your mental health, it gets a workout, and your baggage gets checked, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, it's witty and it's all also intriguing, so you can actually generate content in those sections, guys. So these were few examples. If you like it, save it so that you can use it. So let me just go back now and let's get started with the next topic over here, which is Fiverr gig. So if you have anything to create on Fiverr, then you can actually get started by creating Fiverr gig. So Fiverr gig creator is going to create some absolutely high converting gig descriptions for you. So I'm just going to click on continue right over here, and then I have got a gig which is actually saved. So I'm just going to copy that and I'll read that to you. So right over here it says okay, so are you looking for a minimalist logo designer? Look no further. Why nowadays we see mostly minimal logos for successful brands like Instagram, Twitter, and many more, because it's an era of clean, minimal themes. So I'm just gonna, okay, themes. I'm just gonna hit do the magic. Again, you've got advanced settings. If you want to, play with these, you can. I'm just gonna keep that as standard for demo purposes. And I'm just gonna hit on and do the magic, and the AI is gonna generate some absolutely phenomenal content within seconds. So design project. So it's come up with some absolutely amazing sales copies over here. If you're not happy with it, and you can again do the magic and generate content as many times you want. So you can absolutely generate some absolutely amazing copies, and in addition to creating stunning minimalistic logo designs, I also offer unlimited revision to ensure that you are completely satisfied with your final results. Your feedback is more important to me. So you can just keep on generating content. It'll keep on creating content with the help of ChatGPT-4. If you want to save them, it goes into your list of projects. Then you can access that from list of projects, and then you can save it from there. And if you want to re-access that, it's saved on cloud anyway, so you can use it, repurpose it as many as times you want. I'll just move to the next section, which is absolutely interesting, and I really like watching, or rather reading, questions on Quora. So this section is on Quora. In fact, AI is going to answer these questions, and you can post these answers, and then get started by answering with the help of, obviously, Intelli AI Kit. So right over here, we have got Quora Answers. It says Quora Answers, a platform for knowledge sharing and connecting with experts on almost any topic. So right over here, I've selected that section. I'm gonna go to next, or rather continue. And over here, I'm on Quora. And let me just copy this first question and go to this section over here. It says, give us more information about Quora Answers so we can generate the right content. So I'm just gonna put the question over here and hit do the magic. So what is SpaceX doing differently that makes the company so successful? So let's see what the answer comes up with. So right over here, we have got options or sections which says, SpaceX founder Elon Musk has a bold vision for the future of space exploration. Musk has set ambitious goals, such as, colonizing Mars and making humanity multi-planetary species, and gives you various different sections to read from. So if you're not happy with this, again, just hit create or do the magic again. The AI is going to generate more content again over here, and if you're still not happy with this content, again, hit do the magic. Is going to generate another set of results that you can basically save. So whatever you like, just save it. It'll be listed to your draft section, or the list of galleries that you can get started with, or use them, repurpose them. So let me just give you a few more examples, because the list is massive, so I can just give you a few more examples. So generate funny social media posts. So let me just go back, and let's generate funny social media posts, and discover tips and tricks for creating hilarious social media content that will have your followers laughing out loud with hashtags. So let's get started with this section over here. Let me just remove the previous content. I'm just doing this in one project, guys. You can just select other projects as well. So I'm just gonna copy home improvement over here and hit do the magic. Within seconds, AI is going to generate some absolutely phenomenal content for me. So fun fact, home improvement project can increase the value of your home by up to 20%, and create social media posts. So again, we have got the social media post over here with some absolutely top trending hashtags and emojicons or emojis, and call to action again has been generated right over here. Let me just give you another example on pet grooming salon. So pet grooming again is a big niche, especially in the Western countries, and even in Asia, it's like a really big thing. So yeah, so let's create some absolutely amazing results on this. So we've got fun fact. Did you know that the earliest signs of pet grooming dates back to ancient Egypt? Wow, that's amazing. So bring your fur baby to our salon and let us pamper them like royalty. This is so intriguing. This is so engaging. Book now and give your pet the royal treatment they deserve. And then they've got hashtags, and book now. Call to action is book now and give your pet the royal treatment they deserve. And then you've got the dog, and then you've got this makeup thing, applying nail polish. And we've got hashtags, so pet grooming and royal treatment, which is absolutely amazing. So if you're not happy with this content, I like this one, so I'm going to save this. If you want to generate more, then you just hit generate, and that gives you another set of results. So did you know that pet grooming salon often offers spa treatments and pets for pets, including including potty pedicure, as it turned out, with pedicure. Oh, that's so funny. And fur dyeing services, and treat your furry friend to a day of pampering at our salon. So has got some absolutely trending hashtags right over here, which is absolutely amazing. And then again, guys, AI technology or gadgets and gizmos, and you can just create content in anything: restaurants, food, fast food, or takeaways or takeouts, or let me just create that on fast food. So this was for AI technology. And did you know that the AI technology has the ability to predict with 95% accuracy with couples are likely to get divorced? Oh my gosh. So this is basically giving you predictions, and also giving you the best results that you can ask the system for. So fast food, and let's see what the system is going to generate on that. So within, again guys, no time. This is really swift. So fun fact, did you know that the first fast food restaurant was a White Castle, which opened in 1921 in Wichita, Kansas. So that was crazy. I mean, yeah, I remember watching Harold and Kumar White Castle. That was so funny back in the days. So yeah, so right over here again, guys, if you like this content, you can just save this, and if you're happy with it, if you're not, then you can just hit more and generate more content on this. Did you know that McDonald's once created bubblegum flavored broccoli to encourage kids to eat their vegetables? Wow, I didn't know that. So yeah, I mean, this is going to, assist you to create some absolutely phenomenal content engagement. So let me just move to the next section, guys. So right over here, I'm just gonna go back and get started with YouTube descriptions. You can just create YouTube descriptions in anything. So I'll just keep that as fast food, and I'm just gonna create a hit, so right over here again, this has actually created me a amazing YouTube description, and you can then create YouTube hashtags as well, outlines, titles. You can just create anything that you want to, to generate YouTube video hooks. You can complete your complete YouTube video generator. So outlines, titles. Let me just give you quick titles on fast food. So I'm just gonna hit on create, and because I can spend hours just to give you, a demo on this amazing product, because this is absolutely fabulous, guys. I mean, this has got so much content that you can get started with, and render services and scale your business, leverage your business to the very next level. So these are some absolutely phenomenal titles that YouTube has generated on fast food. And let me just create some absolutely amazing outlines for you on YouTube on the same topic of fast food. So this is actually, creating some absolutely phenomenal outlines as well. So I'm just going to save that. If you like it, save it, and then you can, share that on your social media platform. So I'm just going to go to the next section as an example, which is right winning Upwork freelance proposal. So just as an example, again, guys, all you have to do is just go back right over here, and with this freelance proposal. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, let me go back and name the project again, because I just came out of it. So right over here, let me just say okay, you can actually get started by writing a high impact job description as well. And this one over here is the Upwork one. So Upwork, let me just select with Upwork. So yep, so right over here we've got right winning Upwork freelance proposals, and over here it gives you an option that you can just put in this over here, and I'm just gonna put in USA and hit do the magic, and it's going to create some absolutely amazing proposal for me right over here. So all you have to do is just copy this, share this, and you can use that with your name and with your title and with your signature. So if you want to write more content, you can just type in WRITE, and it just gives you a long list that you can select from. So write an article writer, article rewriter, paragraph writer, write high impact job description. So let me just select that as an option, and job description. Okay, let's see what comes up with fast food job description. So let's see, I'm just going to keep that as that's as a standard. I was pre-populated. So right over here, it gives me the option that this can be added as your job description. So it gives you various options. You can just, if you're not impressed with the results, you can just hit again. The key responsibilities of the fast food worker is typically including taking customers' orders, preparing food items, maintaining and cleaning the work environment, handling transactions, and providing excellent customer service. Other duties may include restocking inventory, following food safety regulations, and working efficiently in a fast-paced environment. So you can just crack on with so much in this particular uh, you know uh, software or app with Intelli AI Kit, that you can actually skyrocket your business. So let me just go back to the come out of this section and go back to the next section, which is going to be a one-click generator. So if I go to one-click generator, this is the content which I've actually generated so far, and you can actually get started by checking what you want to generate, because it just loads and loads and loads and loads. And whatever content that you want to generate, you just select that particular option. Has got, again, as I've said, has got over 200 plus, but again, it's not limited. You can expand that with your prompts to almost or more than 1,000 basically. I'm that confident. And yeah, over here itself, it's generated over 200, guys. So let me just show you the next section, which is projects, and the list of projects. Whatever projects that you have created is listed right over here. And if you want to add more projects, you can just add more projects. If you want to see your projects, you can just click on this, and whatever projects that you've generated just now for demo is come up right over here. So all the projects are going to be saved in this particular section, and drafts and images, all the drafts that you have saved are going to be saved in this particular section over here. And these are all the drafts that that I have generated, and these are all the drafts that are saved. And whatever images again that you're generating, and whatever images that the content is generating, are going to be saved right over here. So the next section is going to be a prompt generator. So with this prompt generator, I'm just going to hit on generate new, and this is actually going to generate prompts for me in absolutely any niche. So for example, I want to create a prompt in this niche, which is dog training. So I want to create a Facebook ad for dog training, and I need a detailed prompt for that. So if you gonna get the detailed prompt, you can then again use this particular prompt in ChatGPT or in Midjourney or in any other AI tool to give you those amazing results. So if I like this prompt, I'm just gonna save this prompt, and it's gonna be listed right in the list of my drafts. And once the prompt is generated, saved prompts are going to be listed right over here. So these are all prompts that I saved. And if I want more results like ChatGPT, we have got an open editor, which is basically an open AI, but it is a part of Intelli AI Kit. So I'm going to go to open editor, and the prompt that I just created, I'm just going to paste that right over here, and I'm going to hit generate. So within no time again, guys, this is going to generate me some absolutely amazing results for my Facebook campaigns. So because the generated ad says act as a marketing specialist creating a Facebook ad campaign for a dog training business, target specific demographic, and you just specify that. Make sure to include the key selling points, captivating copies, and all these blah 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 blah. And that has created some absolutely amazing content. So Facebook ad campaign, targeted audience, ad copies, key selling points, call to actions, engagement, conversion, and some absolutely amazing hashtags and punchlines. So if I'm happy with it, I'm just going to save that over here. If not, then hit generate. This is going to keep on generating you content, guys. You'll be tired, but this keep on generating some absolutely phenomenal content. So as you can see over here, I really love this because this got doggy emoji cons. So I'm just gonna hit save. I'm gonna save that onto my content. So the next section is, again guys, the save prompts. Whatever prompts that I've saved are gonna be saved right over here. So these are the prompts that I've saved, which are absolutely amazing. The next section, guys, is your own chatbot. Doesn't it sound exciting? You can actually create your own chatbot, which is absolutely amazing. So the list over here, I've just created a demo list. So I'm just going to keep that as standard. If you want to add a new list, you can just add a new list and name that particular list, and that will be listed right over here. So just go to add a chatbot, and once you are here, just put a chatbot name, whatever chatbot that you want to. I've just selected that as Cal Chatbot test chatbot, and over here, I'm just going to keep that as standard. It gives you a massive list on how you want the chatbot to act as. Has got a massive list which goes over 200 again, so you can just select that from that particular list. I'm just going to keep that as standard, and I'm just going to hit, or let me just select any of that. I've actually, so let me just select that as math teacher. I'm just gonna hit on continue, and over here I'm just gonna put that onto my list, and I would like that to be on my bottom left hand side this time. So hit continue, and my chat bot is all done, guys. So right over here I've got my chat bot, and let me show this to you. I'm just gonna hit on this is the one that I've just created, right? So yep, so this is the one that I've just created. I'm just gonna hit on try chatbot, and here it is. So I'm just gonna select that as standard, and whoever is going to visit your website, your page, are going to be greeted by the chatbot. And if anyone asks any questions, what is social media marketing, and hit enter. So that actually will be answered with the help of chatbot within no time. And the chatbot has answered. As a math teacher, I can still help you understand the concept of social media marketing in simple terms, and then it just goes on right over here. So it gives you some absolutely amazing results, guys, and you just need to make sure that whoever you want to select your teacher as, or your response as. So over here you can just go back to editing, and motivational speaker, UI UX developer, or whatever you want to select. You can just select that from this massive list. Act as a social media manager. So yep, so you just need to select the category and select the chatbot type. So it gives you some absolutely amazing results. And right over here we have got the OTOs, and we've got the help section. If you have any questions, get in touch with us. We can support you in any questions or any doubts. And we've got the main training listed right over here. Your bonuses are right over here, and they are all listed, so you can access all these bonuses. And we've got the agency user, and you can just add an agency user, and you just need to fill in these details, and they will have their own user. So let me just show you an example, and let's create an agency user right over here, and I'll just add agency user. So they're all added over here, so they can log in with these credentials now. So that's an example on that. And again, we have got the background remover. So let me just select one of my AI images, and right over here is me with my AI image, and let's let this remove the background. So within no time my AI image background has been removed. And yep, yeah, logout section is from here. And yeah, if you've got any questions, feel free to get in touch. And thank you so much for watching this demo. All the best, guys. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.